Hey everyone! So what is the task which takes most amount of time in your streaming career from you? Tell me in the comments below because I want to know that. For me, personally, let's call it post-production or the work after stream we have. I start clipping my VODs, editing and uploading them to several social media platforms. I found some help with this task and I don't even have to pay money for it. I want to share this with you, hoping it may save you some time which you then can use for other things in your daily business or even with your life. The service is called spikes.gg. Spikes.gg automatically analyzes your VODs and chat behavior and uses an algorithm to detect valuable moments of your stream. After selecting your favorite spikes, you can then edit these into the format of the platform you need, for TikTok, for YouTube Shorts, or anything else, for example, Instagram. You can even see the timestamps if you want to clip these moments on Twitch. Currently, spikes.gg is in alpha stage, but if you want to join, I will post an invite link into the description below. Feel free to test it out. It's completely free. Have fun playing with this and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you find this helpful. See you next time. Bye.